hybrid compact crossover SUV. Punta lang tayo sa Laguna. Nag-invite si Kia Philippines para itry yung bagong hybrid SUV. Dito sa Nuvali Driving Range. 2027 Kia Sportage SX. Yung price, 2,098,000 pesos. Modern and futuristic yung design ng front end. Naka-projector LED headlamps with DRL. LED rin yung fog lamp. Wala nga lang front camera. 18-inch alloy wheels. Naka-disc brake sa front and rear. Body color yung side mirror cover. Walang camera. Pero may BCA or blind spot collision avoidance assist. Yung ground clearance, sakto lang. May keyless or smart entry button. Check natin yung interior. Black leather seats. Power seat adjustment sa driver. Manual naman sa front passenger. Sa door panel, soft touch. Soft leather naman sa armrest. Power window switch na automatic. 2-spoke leather wrap steering wheel. Naka-electric power steering to, kaya magaan yung steering feel. Equipped na rin to ng paddle shifters. Tilt and telescopic adjust yung steering column. Push start ignition. Ganito yung design ng key fob. 12.3-inch instrument cluster. Okay naman yung image quality. Medyo reflective nga lang. Pagdating sa visibility, okay naman, sakto lang yung ride height. Hindi nga lang masyadong kita yung hood, pero hindi naman big deal. Hindi rin sobrang kapal ng A-pillar, kaya less blind spot. 12.3-inch infotainment screen. Dual zone automatic climate control. Gusto ko tong design ng control panel, modern and premium feel. Matte finish kaya hindi reflective. May 2 USB-C port at wireless charging pad. Smart Stream 6-speed automatic transmission. Naka-electronic parking brake with auto hold. Check natin yung reverse camera. Okay naman yung image quality, pero mas okay siguro kung may 360 camera. Soft touch yung center armrest. Check natin yung storage. Okay lang yung storage space. May 12-volt socket na rin. Dampen yung glove box. May vanity mirror with light yung sun visor. Naka-separate nga lang yung switch. Same sa front passenger. Iset ko lang yung driver seat sa driving position ko. Check natin yung back seat. For reference lang, 5'7" yung height ko. Black leather seats. Sa door panel, hard plastic. Soft leather naman sa armrest. Power window switch na automatic. Nakaset na to sa driving position ko, yung legroom. Maluwag yung kneeroom, nasa around 7 inches pa yung allowance. Yung foot space, makakapag-stretch ka pa. Hindi nga lang flat yung floor, medyo mataas din yung hump. Sakto lang yung foot space sa middle seat. Yung seating position, comfortable na rin kasi hindi matigas yung upuan. May AC vent at storage. May USB-C port sa side ng driver and passenger seat. Yung headroom, nasa 5 to 6 inches pa yung allowance. Okay din yung seating position, hindi siya upright or 90 degrees kasi reclining seat naman to. Check natin yung cargo space. Modern and clean look yung design ng rear end. Fan ako ng gloss black, pero parang napalaki yung part ng gloss black dito. Full LED yung taillight. May reverse camera. Parking sensor. Equipped na to ng smart power liftgate. Nakalimutan ko lang itry yung hands-free function. Malaki na rin yung storage space. Nandito sa underfloor storage yung spare tire. Hindi siya full size, pero mas okay to compare sa tire repair kit. Check natin yung engine bay. 1.6-liter turbocharged SmartStream gasoline engine paired with an electric motor. Based sa engine specs, mukhang malakas yung power output. I-try ko lang kung maganda ba yung performance. Mag-start tayo sa acceleration. Malakas yung acceleration, ramdam mo talaga yung low-end torque. Smooth din yung pag-shift ng gear. Pagdating sa stability, ramdam mo na planted siya sa daan. Stable din siya sa high speed, kaya confidence-inspiring siya i-drive. Pagdating naman sa ride comfort, maganda yung play ng suspension. Hindi siya matagtag kahit na nasa rough road ako ngayon. Comfortable yung ride kahit na ganitong medyo lubak-lubak. Sa overall driving experience, madali siyang i-drive, comfortable yung ride, at tahimik yung cabin. Thank you Kia Philippines for the opportunity. Palike na lang and subscribe. Paalam.